how and when to submit affidavit of support in a spousal petition. So, dalawa po ang pagkakataon para mag-submit ng spousal petition, affidavit of support. Ano po? But anyway, ito yung question noong sa chat group ng US Visa Application. Chat group. Ano po? Yung nag-a-assist po dyan sa US Visa Application chat group, yung East Coast Visa Consultancy. Si Sir Val at saka si Madam Ruth. So, pwede po kayong mag-join dyan para nang noon, may mga sumasagot dyan, mga ka-members ng chat group. 100,000 po ang members niyan, kaya maraming ideas na sumasagot ang ating mga members dyan. Ano po, based on their experience. Tayo naman po, pag nagbigay ng advice dyan, general advice lamang po, based on my experience as an immigration lawyer, US immigration lawyer for the past 25 years. So, general advice lang po yan. Hindi yan specific do sa inyong mga individual situation. You still need to seek legal consultation or advice from a U.S. immigration lawyer so that the advice can be tailored to your specific situation or condition. Ano po? So, ang question po is, good day, we have a pending petition I-130 spousal petition. Paano mag-provide ng affidavit of support, financial support? Hintayin muna po ba ma-approve ang I-130? Yun yung petition form for a relative. Nagre-ready lang kami para sa future na requirement. Salamat po. Yan pong affidavit of support or form I-864, kailangan yan i-file kapag consular processing. Ano po? Ibig sabihin, nasa Pilipinas yung beneficiary na asawa ng green card holder or ng US citizen, sasubmit lamang po yan kapag itinransfer na ng USCIS, Citizenship and Immigration Services, sa National Visa Center yung immigrant petition. Yan pong asawa or spouse ng US citizen, tuloy-tuloy po ang processing yan. So, walang waiting period yan. Pero yung asawa ng green card holder, maghihintay muna maging current yan in 3 to 4 years bago mag-require ang National Visa Center na isubmit ang affidavit of support. Ano po? Ngayon, pag dito naman po sa adjustment of status, usually, US citizen spouse, kapag isinubmit yung adjustment package, kailangan samahan na kagad yan ng affidavit of support or yung form I-864, including the income tax return. Ano po? So, yan po ang sagot dyan sa tanong na yan.